Thank you for joining us on Valley News Live, and beautiful weather across the valley. 28 on the thermometer. Wind from the west-southwest is blowing only 3 miles per hour. Look at Grand Forks, a lot of sunshine and in the 20s as well with calm wind. It is delightful. A lot of 20s out there with the low 30s out to the west. Things warmer where we see the deep blue colors. Almost 40 degrees in Aberdeen this hour. Right now for Bemidji, 25, and Wadena, 25 degrees with a very quiet radar at this hour here in the valley. Hour-by-hour forecast as we go through this evening. That's what we want to focus on. Very quiet conditions continue. Hit and miss clouds, and temperatures will be fairly mild, near 20 degrees as we get ready for bed tonight. No precipitation, although we could see a renegade flurry of snow along the international border. Now let's take a gander at what we're expecting to take place as we go through the overnight. The isobars start to get a little closer together. South winds will import some mild weather. Saturday looks delightful. Get out and enjoy. It'll be breezy but beautiful. Chance for some early day mixed precipitation. A shot of snow in northern Minnesota our model calls for. This is in the late day. And a chance for some rain moving through the valley. That's right, rain. Nothing like February showers to bring something. And as we look at the isobars out here to the west, they're really getting close together. The wind starts to really get going, gusting over 30 miles per hour in our westernmost counties. Overnight Saturday is when things really deteriorate. And if you have travel plans for Sunday, I would advise changing them or at least pay very close attention to the weather situation on Super Bowl Sunday. Here's what happens as we go through the overnight hours and into your Super Bowl Sunday. Low pressure system centered over Baudette will bring a band of snow. And at the same time that the snow is falling, you see that some of the strongest winds will be rolling through the valley. That's where the isobars are closest together. That's the strongest gusts. And where there's no trees out in parts of central and eastern North Dakota, that wind will be ripping with possible gusts as we go through the day. Over 50, even over 60 miles per hour in some locations. Now, as we go through the morning hours, the snow begins to accumulate. This is in the morning. Then as we go through midday, this is where I think things will be worst from Grand Forks to Fargo. It's in that 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. time frame with the snow accumulation, the way things are looking right now. Gusts over 40 to 50 miles per hour already. With this snow will make zero visibility and possible blizzard conditions across the valley. Then as we head through the day, the snow accumulation ceases late. But all day, the wind continues, even into the early part of Monday. Now, our model is picking anywhere from 2 to 6 inches of snow in isolated places. And again, not a ton of snow, but with winds gusting over 50 miles per hour, there will be zero visibility. There will be a lot of drifting, blowing, and dangerous travel. So keep it tuned here or log on to Valley News Live for the latest. Here's that blizzard watch for the Red River Valley and the Pink counties. Winter storm watch has been issued for the treed country of the Northland. And wind warnings and wind watches out for the western and central Dakotas, where we could see gusts in excess of 70 miles per hour. Hour-by-hour forecast tonight, quiet, steady temperatures, south winds, pretty brisk out there under partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow we rise, look at this, near 40 degrees in Fargo, Moorhead, and maybe even warmer than that out in our westernmost counties. We could see a mid-40 near Jamestown, near Ellendale. 37, Langdon 32, Roseau, Bemidji 34 degrees, and then late in the day, a chance for spotty spits of rain or snow. Take a look at this sun pillar, absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing. Tracy, that's outstanding. Here is a look then at your planning forecast again. Super Bowl Sunday woes, temperatures falling from those upper 20s to around 30 through the afternoon hours. Deteriorating temperatures in the 20s means that snow rate will change. It starts out as a wet, sticky snow that doesn't accumulate so quickly. And then, well, in the latter part of the day, the snow gets fluffier as the temperatures fall into the mid-20s, and then it could pile up a little bit more. I'm thinking right around 2, maybe even 3 or 4 inches near Fargo, Moorhead, with more than that in our northern counties. And it looks like the wind will continue into Monday with the cold taking hold. Temperatures in the teens to start the week will fall to lows below zero for our Tuesday and Wednesday morning, but we climb out of the cellar at least a little bit by late in the week with temperatures reaching near 20 to 25 degrees. So, Andrea, if you have travel plans for the Super Bowl, you may end up being where you are on Sunday night because travel could be impossible.
Wow. Okay. Thanks so much, Hutch.
You bet. Hey, we do have a speakeasy spotlight couple. Hilda and Orville Hadelstad of Crookston, Minnesota, are celebrating 57 years of wedded bliss. If you see them, pat them on the back for Andrea and I.
You'll soon